How's it going, my friend? Today, we are going to talk about fiddle tune kickoffs. Even if you've only played a little bit of bluegrass guitar, you're probably familiar with fiddle tunes. These are one of the most important types of tunes that we play in bluegrass music, and it's probably a good idea to figure out how to kick one off. It will eventually come around to you, my friend, in that jam circle to call a tune. So what are you going to do first? Well, today I've got some phrases lined up for you that are going to help effectively get you into any fiddle tune. It's really common to do what we call potatoes at the beginning of a fiddle tune, and that may sound kind of crazy, right? But we are not talking about the root vegetable. What we are talking about is this really basic phrase that kind of goes like this. 1 potato, 2 potato, 3 potato, 4 potato. It's ridiculous, I know, but it's more about the zaka, 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 zaka. Typically, players will either give 1 set of potatoes, kind of like a 4 count, or 2 sets of potatoes, an 8 count at the beginning of the tune. It really signals to everyone in the jam session that something's about to happen. It establishes the time, and it establishes the key center for the tune. So this is a really crucial thing to get down. So if you're going to kick off a tune in G, the open G string is a really good asset to us, but I like to do one more thing. I double it with the string below. I kind of do a hammer-on from the 4th fret to the 5th fret there, doubling both strings, and then we'll do a bum, diddy, bum, diddy, bum, diddy, bum, diddy. Now that's the most basic one that you can use right there, and there are a million variations. So we're going to go through a couple that I like to play. There you have it, my friends, some really good kickoff phrases to get you into a fiddle tune. The potatoes are going to come in really handy, and it's something really common that almost any bluegrass player knows, so you won't have to worry about your jam buddies not getting what you're up to. In the next video, we're going to talk about how to kick off vocal tunes. It rarely falls on the guitar player's shoulders to kick off a vocal tune, but hey, in modern bluegrass, anything goes. So there are some cliche phrases that we need to learn in order to kick off any fiddle tune. Drop me a comment below and let me know how your practice is going, or if you have any questions. Catch you in the next video.